Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study from chapter 6 Lines and Angles, exercise 6.1, question 2. In figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, find C. So here you can see the figure here. It is said XY and MN intersect. Already we have studied two line intersect means they form vertically opposite angles. So you see here XY is a straight line, MN is a straight line. So both these lines they are intersecting at this point O. Now if POY is 90 degree, P is here, POY is 90 degree. So this meaning is 90 degree. And A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. The ratio is given to us. Find C. We have to find C. C is here. This is the angle we have to find out. So now let's see. XY is a straight line. Okay, first let's find out for A and B. Once we get this value, then we can find out the value of this. So now XY is a straight line. If this is straight line, this whole thing will become, whole thing, how much it will be? It will be 180 degree because straight line, we studied in the introduction part, I told you, straight line, the angle is total, it will be 180 degree. So can we write down all this angle together? It is 180. So let's write down. So XY is a straight line. So now XY is a straight line. So XY is a straight line. So therefore A plus B plus angle POY. Together it will be 180 degree. Now before that, what is given to us? Let's write down. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Okay. So A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Now this can be written as a ratio. So this can be written like this. A upon 2 equal to B upon 3 is equal to K. We keep it as a constant because see, if you are multiplying these or if you are dividing A upon 2, if you are dividing, you will be getting something, some answer. So same way B upon 3, if you are dividing, some answer you will get. That's why we write it like this. So now let's bring this to this side. So that means you will get A is equal to 2 is in division. When it comes here, becomes multiplication. So same way, B equal to 3 goes that side, it will be multiplication. So let's keep this is given to us. From the question we have written this, okay. So now can we put that here? So in the place of A, we'll write down 2K. In the place of B, we will write 3K. And angle POY is given to us 90 degree. So let's write down that it's 90 degree. Together it is 180 degree. So now 2K plus 3K will give us 5K plus 90 degree equal to 180. Now can we bring this 90 this side? So we keep 5K here only. So when it is plus, it comes here, it becomes minus now. So 5K equal to 180 minus 90 will give us 90 degree. Now let's keep K here only because we want to find out the K value. This is in multiplication. When it comes this side, goes to division. So when you divide this, we get K value 80. Okay. So this is our value of K. So now A is actually what? 2K. B is what? 3K. Can we put this K value and get the value of A and B? So A is, what is that? 2K. So 2 into K value is what? 18. So what we will get then? Value of A. So 2 into 18 will give us 36 degree. Okay, so we found the A value. So same way, B equal to 3K we set. So that means 3 into K is 18. So B equal to 3 into K will give us, 3 into 18 will give us 54. So we found the value of A and B. So let's write down. So this is given to us, we said this is 90, it is given to us in the question. A value we found out, that is 36 degree. B we found out, that is 54 degree. So now what we have to find out? We have to find C. So we have to find out C value. So now if you see, M and N is a straight line. So if this is straight line, then don't you think this whole thing will be 180? Because this is straight line. So this whole thing will be 180. So in 180 means we know the value of B, that is 54. So from 180, if you minus 54, remaining will be C. So that's what we are going to do. So now MN is a straight line. So therefore B plus C will be equal to 180 degree. So B value already we know. So B is 54. So 180. We want to find out C. So we keep C here only and get this 54 this side. It will become minus. Then C we will get 126 degree. So we found out the C value. So C we found out. C is 126 degree. So that's how. I hope it is clear to you. So you have to see, say, straight line. The whole thing is 180. So we kept this, we have calculated like this and we kept, and we found out the K value because altogether it will be 180. And then we found out the value for A and B by calculating this way. And after that, we had to find out C. So MN also is a straight line. So whole thing becomes 180. So from 180 we minus the B value and we get the C value. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.